Hi friends! In this video, I'm showing you how to set up a payment plan for your taxes when you have a self-employed business. So how do you know if you're a self-employed business owner? Well, if you file your business taxes with your personal taxes, your Form 1040, and you report your business income and expenses on a Schedule C, attached to your individual return, then you filed your business as self-employed. So if you're a single owner LLC, you default to file as self-employed. And this is the simplest option for a business so that you don't have to file a separate business tax return, which you do need to do if you have 2 or more members in your LLC. Otherwise, if you just start working for yourself, or you receive a 1099 from a business, then you are what's called a sole proprietor. That's the legal name for your business, and you also default to be taxed as self-employed. You can file your taxes. You typically have to wait until your returns have been processed to apply for the payment plan. So submit your returns, wait a week or 2, and then go in and set up your payment plan. To set up your payment plan with the IRS, you can just do a Google search, set up a payment plan with the IRS. The first few items are all advertisements, and you'll see this one, online payment agreement application. And you'll see the term installment agreements. That's the technical terminology for a tax payment plan with the IRS. So you'll click this one and you'll come to the page that looks like this. Apply online for a payment agreement. Basically, as long as you owe less than $50,000, then you can come do this application online. You'll see what you need to apply. You just need your information from the tax return you most recently filed with the IRS. So you just want to make sure you have the address from that return, your name exactly as it appears on there, social security number, and if you have applied for a payment agreement in the past, then you would have a username and login, which you should use. So all you'll do is come to this page and click apply as an individual, and then you'll go create an account and you'll need that information and just continue through these questions. Now I'm going to stop there. You may also have a state tax return that you might need to set up a payment arrangement with the state. So just do a search for the name of the state you're in. I used North Dakota for this example, and then Department of Revenue or Tax, set up a payment plan. And you'll find a similar option, and this is the one for North Dakota. Now, so I didn't actually find what we needed on this search, so I'm going to use the term installment agreement. I went in to just make a payment because I didn't see anything come up specifically for setting up an installment agreement. So instead, I just went to their make a payment section, which you may need to do for your state, and you'll see down here at the bottom, request a payment plan. So in this case, you would need to wait until you receive this letter, which means they've processed your return and they're telling you you have an amount due. And so then if you want to set up the plan, you would come here and select which of these options your letter stated. And that's why I said you do need to wait a little while just to make sure your return has been processed. Otherwise, the state doesn't know that you owe them money. So every state will have a bit of a different process, but this is an example for North Dakota, and your state may be similar as well. And you can also find contact areas on your state website for Department of Tax, Department of Revenue, and from there, most states are very helpful with giving you instructions through a phone line or an email support on what you need to do as well. All right, and that's it for setting up your payment plan with the IRS. and also how to find out how to set up your payment plan with your state. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more. Comment below if you have comments or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.